The centre has informed Parliament that Indian Airlines have cancelled around 26,000 international flights till July 20th due to airspace restrictions caused by the US-Iran conflict. Replying in the Lok Sabha, Minister of State for Civil Aviation Muralidhar Mohol said the conflict has severely disrupted international flight operations, leading to large-scale cancellations, flight diversions, and delays. He said rerouting of flights has increased flying time and fuel consumption, resulting in higher operational costs for airlines. The minister added that carriers are also facing significant revenue losses but are taking steps to minimize the impact while maintaining flight operations. Mohol informed the House that the Directorate General of Civil Aviation has issued multiple advisories to ensure the safety of passengers, crew, and aircraft amid the evolving security situation in West Asia. The conflict, which began in late February, has added to the challenges faced by the aviation sector, including rising fuel costs and continued airspace restrictions across the region.